What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We out here. Nice talking to you guys again. Out here at my house. Quick life update. I recently moved. I'm over here living with one of my cousins now. We got our own place. Things are going good. Yeah, I just decided to make a video today. Today we're actually gonna be all these parts right here. This is all the interior for the RSX. We're gonna be swapping out the old tan, dirty interior into the black. The only bad thing part about where I live right now is that you can't be working on your cars or anything like that. Like you can't be doing anything to your car right here. It's like HOA or whatever. I'm not used to that, but yeah, I could basically get fined to be working on my car here. But we're gonna go to my cousin's house and we'll be working on the R6 from there. Let's go. Shout out to Angel. He got me this Mishimoto shift knob. I also switched out the center console already. So we're here at my cousin's house. Quick update on the R6. So the right door is not gray anymore. I got a new side skirt. It was actually gray too, and I paint matched everything, so everything's white. The only thing that's black still is the lip, but you know, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, guys, let's go. So we got the door panels here. You see how they're all dusty and stuff. I'm be cleaning all these in the backyard with the hose. All the panels right here. We got the carpet, we got this part, you know, the back trunk. One thing I did come up on is this T-bar, whatever, the radiator support. Mine's actually messed up from the latch, the hood latch. It's kind of hard to open it. It's like all like crooked and bent. It's like, it actually makes like a squeaky noise because it's like cracked right here, whatever. Came up on that. And then another come up is these OEM mats. I know they're not new or anything, but better than the ones that I have. The ones that I have right now don't have these holes, so they be like sliding up to like the pedals and stuff, and like could get pretty annoying. They're all dusty because, you know, they're on basically like a junkyard. One thing I don't have is the dash. They didn't include the dash with the interior, so I'm gonna be going back to get that soon for sure, because, you know, I don't want to have a gray dash and everything else is black. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna start cleaning them up. All right, guys, so basically cleaned everything. Everything's still wet, so except for that, I didn't want to wet that. I'll probably just vacuum this, but yeah, everything's drying up right now. So we're just gonna go and start taking out the panels from the car. I guess we'll start off with the seats and then we'll move from there. So another thing that I did buy is a stock exhaust for the R6. Kind of don't want to be loud anymore. You gotta like raise your voice to be talking to somebody inside the car, because the exhaust is just too loud. And then like my new neighborhood, I feel like they're gonna be like complaining about the noise and stuff, and I don't want any problems, or maybe I get a fine for that, or I don't know how that works. Alright, so this is how the trunk is looking. I think I'm gonna have to take out the seats. Fuck it.
What's up, mijo?
What up, my man?
Oh, hey.
Can work from work?
Yeah.
So what you got going on, man?
I just lowered the back of the car, and I think I don't know if they seen the side skirts last time.
Oh no, yeah.
I mean, it looks good. The only thing is I gotta drill one screw so it could be up, but that's it. To be honest.
Damn, bro. Looks clean, bro. I started taking out the interior right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what pieces?
Everything, bro, except for the dash. I guess the price, because he asked for $160 for the interior, and I was like, damn, that's hella cheap for the dash too. And
you got the seats too?
I've been had the seats.
Oh, yeah, you did.
All right, y'all, so we got the seats out. I'm taking out the carpet. It's pretty dirty in here. It's pretty nasty, actually. Where you gotta cut it?
Just
right there?
Yeah.
You can't rip it with your hand? Try to just pull it. It'll rip. There you go.
Wow, there's a whole gutted RSX right here.
My friend? That was an RX-8.
It was. Ooh, those rotary pops.
Alright guys, so the black carpet's finally in. Damn, I can't freaking talk. So we went to go to the car wash to vacuum the, like, you know, the RSX all gutted, and for some reason I didn't think about taking the carpet with me, vacuuming it over there. So I guess I'll just vacuum it some other day, as long as like under it's clean, you know. The only thing that sucks is that when I change out the dash, I'm gonna have to take out the center console again. And yeah, I mean, it's not hard taking it out, but this little cable right here is kind of hard to take off. There's like a little cigarette lighter back here on the center console, but yeah, it's looking nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna put in the seats, and or actually I'm not gonna put in the seats yet. I'm gonna actually work on the back first. Once that's all put together, I'm gonna start putting the seats in, you know, working my way up.
Get the trophy.
Let's go. All right, so we put this, putting on the seatbelts. Oh, seatbelts aren't the best, but you know. And yeah, we're gonna put this part, put the speaker on, connect everything back. Let's go. Bro, it looks so clean. I like the way it looks, for real. Black interior over 10 interior.
Tomorrow.
All right guys, so it's actually the next day. The floor mats are finally dry. I can put them in. All the interiors inside the car now, looking nice. Here, hold on. The panels are kind of dirty still, but you know, I'm gonna have to hit it with some, like, I don't know, tire shine, I guess, so for it to like look better, not dusty. But this is how it looks. The inside, black carpet now, doesn't look as dirty. I'm gonna have to hit everything with Armor All so that black could really pop. I mean, the seats aren't the best, but you know, better than ripped seats. So the guy that sold me the parts, I guess this is like the A-Spec trim. It's like a little gray trim that it has. I guess that's what came with the A-Spec model. I'm probably gonna install the dash in another video. I'm probably gonna pick that up today, and yeah, maybe get a new steering wheel, because it's been the same steering wheel since I had the car, since I first bought the car. But yeah guys, it's coming out nice. Alright, so I was able to put it, make sure to, damn, this guy getting comfortable, bro. There you go, I can pump gas now. But one thing that the guy did forget is to give me this trim piece. So I'm about to go pick that up right now. And then another piece in the back in the trunk. My boy. This is how the bag looks. You know, pretty dusty still, even though I cleaned it. But you know, I'm gonna hit it with some Armor All. But yeah guys, sorry all my shit's in here. Gonna install this pretty soon because it's making a squeaky noise. It's pretty annoying. So another thing I did was put on put on a different door on the driver's side with the window visor. Had to paint the door white. You can tell the difference, but you know, it is what it is. And yeah guys, the whole car is paint matched except for the lip. I'm gonna have to get some window tint. I could just switch over the other window with the window tint, but I feel like I should just get new tint all around. And yeah, since it is kind of peeling in the back too. All right guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I still have the stock exhaust. I don't know if I should make it quiet. I don't want to be loud anymore, create attention and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know if I should just put the stock exhaust or just keep it loud. I mean, you guys probably don't even know how it sounds like. I don't really make videos on how me driving and stuff. But yeah, let me know. I'll for sure be making a new video of a new install. But yeah, catch y'all later.